Horizon Fitness 7.4. The Horizon Fitness 7.4 at Studio Series Smart Treadmill is a powerhouse of a machine designed for serious home workouts. With its easy app connectivity, you can stream fitness classes, movies, and music via Bluetooth without the need for a subscription. The built-in device rest securely holds your phone or tablet, while the rapid charge USB port keeps your device powered up. This treadmill is built for performance with a large 22 by 60-inch running surface and variable response cushioning, providing flex and support throughout your stride. The precision control features make adjusting speed and incline seamless with quick dial controls, perfect for interval training. The program choices include custom interval keys and one-touch speed and incline quick keys. The responsive drive system ensures fast speed and incline changes, ideal for intense workouts. Plus, the treadmill is foldable, making storage a breeze with the Featherlight hydraulic folding system. Additional features like Bluetooth speakers, a water bottle holder, fan, and energy saver mode enhance your workout experience. Overall, the Horizon Fitness 7.4 at Studio Series Smart Treadmill is a top-notch option for home fitness enthusiasts looking for a high-performance machine packed with convenient features. Whether you're walking, jogging, or running, this treadmill delivers a smooth and efficient workout experience. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates.